Today, we're diving into the AnthroSync AI program, and it's designed to tackle a really big question that's on a lot of people's minds in tech right now. I mean, this is it, right? It's the question that's on so many people's minds. You see the headlines, you hear about all these crazy breakthroughs, but how do you actually go from just being interested in AI to, being capable of building with it? Well, this program from AnthroSync, it lays out one potential path, a very specific 8-week journey to get you there. So let's look at this AI learning journey they've put together. The whole idea is to take you from the very fundamentals all the way to building things you can actually use in the real world. And the key word here is hands-on. Seriously, this isn't about just sitting back and watching videos. It's an 8-week, get your hands dirty kind of experience. The entire goal is to have you building and deploying real AI applications. Okay, so let's break down the details. It's an 8-week program, but check this out. It's on weekends. That's a huge plus if you're already working or studying. You're going to get live online sessions, and it all culminates in a capstone project. In the end, you walk away with a completion certificate and, more importantly, a portfolio you can actually show people. Okay, so the big question is, who should actually join this? Is this program the right fit for you? Well, it looks like it's for a few different kinds of people. You might be a student or a recent grad trying to break into an AI role, or maybe you're a working professional who wants to switch gears into AI or machine learning. Could be you're already a developer who wants to start building smarter apps. Or, hey, maybe you're a startup founder just wanting to see what's possible with AI. The real takeaway here is that it's less about your current job title and more about what you're trying to achieve. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the curriculum. What are you actually going to be learning over these 8 weeks? I love how they've structured this. It's kind of like building blocks. You start with step 1, the foundations. This is where you get your core AI and machine learning skills down cold. Then you build on top of that with more advanced domains like computer vision and NLP. Step 3, you get to the really exciting part, the generative frontier. And finally, in step 4, you put all those pieces together to build your own capstone project. It just makes perfect sense. Of course, you can't build any of this stuff without the right tools, so let's talk about the tech stack. What's going to be in your AI toolkit by the end of all this? Okay, this is the good stuff. We're talking about the core of the modern AI stack. Of course, you've got Python. Then you'll get deep into the essential libraries. NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn. These are your workhorses. After that, you're diving into PyTorch for deep learning. And this is a big one, Hugging Face. That's basically your gateway to using all those incredible pre-trained models out there. But it's not just about the theory and the models, right? This covers the entire workflow. You're going to learn GitHub for managing your code, you'll be using Google Colab to write it, and then you'll learn how to actually show it off to the world using Streamlit and FastAPI. This is the stuff that takes you from having a cool script on your computer to having a real application people can use. Okay, so you do all this work. What's the career payoff? What do you actually get out of this program? Let's talk about the concrete outcomes. First up, just one number, 32. That's how many hours of live, instructor-led training you get. This isn't just about watching a bunch of pre-recorded videos. This is real, interactive time with people who can answer your questions. And here's what you walk away with. You get that mentor-guided capstone project, a certificate of completion, and, this is probably the most important part, a GitHub portfolio that's ready to show off to employers. Plus, you get all the session recordings and learning materials, and you get plugged into an alumni community, which is awesome for networking. Now, this part is really cool. It says that outstanding participants actually get opportunities for paid, real-world AI projects. So for the people who really shine, there's a chance to go from learning to earning and getting that crucial industry experience. That's a huge deal. And really, this quote just says it all. Bridge the gap between learning and real deployment. That's the whole point, isn't it? It's not just about knowing things. It's about being able to do things. It's about closing that gap between a cool idea and a working product. So when you see a path like this laid out, one that can take you from just being curious to being truly capable, it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? If you had these tools and you had this hands-on experience, what's the first AI project you would want to build?